December 2024. A routine lunar livestream was quietly scanning the moon's cratered surface. Everything appeared calm, lifeless. Until suddenly, it wasn't. The camera glitched, just for a second. But in that single second, something moved. Not a meteor. Not a shadow. Something intelligent? It appeared, then vanished. No trace. No explanation. And the more scientists investigated, the more mysterious it became. To casual viewers, it was a typical signal error. But NASA engineers knew this was no ordinary glitch. Data logs showed a sudden surge of electromagnetic energy. The frequency was completely unrecognized, alien to our systems. One scientist called it, like the moon blinked. When the video cut, infrared sensors activated. And what they found shocked the team. In the icy darkness of the moon, something had left behind heat. A thermal anomaly in a place colder than -150°C. There were no impacts. No known satellites overhead. Just unexplained warmth. The glitch was no accident. It was evidence. When scientists replayed the moment frame by frame, another clue emerged. Light. The object had reflected light, but not like any rock or metal. Its reflection shifted, scattered, and shimmered, like something biological? An astrophysicist noted, "It behaves like organic carbon, but it's not." Then came the most bizarre clue of all, the shadow. The object cast a shadow, but the angle made no sense. The sun's position said one thing. The shadow said another. Almost like the object was bending light or warping gravity. NASA ruled out lens flare, dust, and solar tricks. This shadow broke the laws of physics. Publicly, NASA said nothing. No press releases. No tweets. No denials. But internally? The clip was encrypted and locked. It was placed under something called Project LEV Lunar Event Variants. A classified archive for unexplained lunar activity. An insider said, "We're not hiding aliens. We're trying not to jump to conclusions. But here's the strange part, this isn't the first time." Apollo 16, 1972, showed a similar glitch. Same region. Same distortion. Same silence. Could something be anchored there? Waiting? Watching? And the timing? Couldn't be ignored. At that exact moment, a magnetar, one of the most powerful objects in space, released a radio burst. The Earth, Moon, and magnetar were perfectly aligned. Dr. Evelyn Moreau said, "It's like space rang a bell, and something on the moon responded." So what was it? A cosmic ray? A camera malfunction? Or a visitor? None of the official explanations answer all the questions. The heat. The light signature. The shadow. The timing. They don't add up. This may not be proof of alien life. But it is proof that the universe still hides secrets. And the moon? May not be as it had been 47 days since the lunar glitch. NASA's silence was deafening. But behind the scenes, things were far from quiet. A private satellite, run by a tech startup, accidentally caught something. Same coordinates. Same crater. But this time? It wasn't just a shimmer. It was a shape. A structure, barely visible beneath the dust. Angular. Geometric. Artificial? The startup, unaware of its implications, uploaded the image publicly. It trended for 6 hours before it was taken down. No explanation. No strike. Just gone. But screenshots had already spread. And a few sharp-eyed researchers noticed something chilling. The object in the photo looked ancient. Not new. Not recent. Worn. Weathered. Buried. As if it had been there for centuries. Buried under layers of silence. One independent researcher enhanced the image. What she found sent chills across the scientific community. A pattern. Etched along the side of the structure, symbols. Perfectly spaced. Repeating. Not random. Not geological. They looked eerily similar to language. Not human. Not known. But with rhythm, order, and purpose. She fed the symbols into an AI trained on Earth's ancient scripts. The result? No direct match. But a pattern emerged. The symbols pulsed in a sequence, like a waveform. A signal. And then, it happened. On February 3, 2025, that signal returned. This time, it wasn't from the moon. It was received from deep space. The same frequency. The same strange modulation. A call and a response. As if the moon was answering something. As if it had heard and was heard. Now here's where it gets strange. Seismometers on the lunar surface recorded vibrations. Soft. Low frequency. Almost musical. Like a hum from within the moon itself. Some called it a coincidence. Others said, the moon is singing. Geologists say the moon isn't hollow. But these vibrations? They echo, like there's space inside. A void. A chamber. A cavity, or something else. Some theorists revived an old claim, that the moon might be more than just a natural satellite. That it could be a construct. A vessel. A relic. Or worse, a dormant intelligence. And the glitch? Maybe it wasn't a malfunction at all. Maybe it was the moon waking up. A signal. A scan. A scan of us. Something is changing. The moon has been silent for 4.5 billion years. Until now. And if we've seen one response, the question is, who or what is going to answer next? Because once a signal is sent, something always replies.